Hi. So yesterday I'm at work. I get a panic call from my wife. She's at the gas station at the tank. The car won't start. The key fob recognized the doors and the windows, but it wouldn't recognize the car. The car said no key, even though she had the key there. Okay? She had to have the car towed home. Cost her like $60 to have the car towed home. I called up. It had a yellow light with a key saying no key found on the dash, as well as this flashing red light. If you can see this flashing red key. So at first I thought it was the key fob battery might have been dead. Brought batteries, nothing. I would press on the button, get nothing from the push start. Would get nothing. So then I called up a few mechanics out here. They asked me what I see on the dash. I explained, and was told that that problem would cost about $800. So I called Nissan. That problem would cost about $1,000 to repair. But thanks to the trusty internet and YouTube, I found a solution for that problem. The problem wasn't in the key fob at all. The problem was right here in the steering wheel. And in the steering wheel underneath is a lockbox. See if I can show you a better picture of it. Okay, pull this panel down. There is a gray box right there. That gray box in the corner over there. That is a lockbox. The lockbox has a pump in it that when the car is turned off, the pump goes down. It's supposed to lock the steering wheel. Nissan, Infiniti, and even Mercedes-Benz and most cars with the push start has this as a common problem. When you engage it, nothing happens. That pump, it doesn't go down all the way. Sometimes it sticks, so the key won't recognize the car at all. It won't do anything. So trusted YouTube, they had many solutions for it. One was a simple start first. Just tap on it with a hammer or pliers. I did, and the car turned right over. And they said, so that you don't have this problem again, because if you do drive around like that, maybe a day or two, you'll have that same problem. The thing you should do is open the hood and remove the steering lock fuse. If you remove that fuse, you'll never have that problem again, because the car will recognize that the steering lock has been deactivated. And I did that too. And as you can see, engage. Car running. Everything back to normal. Just wanted to share that. Thank you.